The ketogenic diet has gained popularity in recent years due to its potential health benefits and effectiveness for weight loss. The key principle behind this low-carb, high-fat diet is to induce a state of ketosis, where the body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. However, staying in ketosis can be challenging, especially when faced with tempting high-carb foods. In this video, we will explore some top tips and tricks to help you stay in ketosis and maximize the benefits of the ketogenic diet. Strictly limit carbohydrate intake. To achieve and maintain ketosis, it is crucial to strictly limit your carbohydrate intake. Typically, the daily carbohydrate allowance on a ketogenic diet ranges from 20 to 50 grams. Focus on consuming high-quality, low-carb foods such as leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and berries while avoiding starchy and sugary foods. Prioritize healthy fats. Since the ketogenic diet is a high-fat diet, it's important to choose healthy fats that promote optimal health. Include sources of monounsaturated and saturated fats such as avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, nuts, and seeds in your diet. These fats will keep you satiated and provide essential nutrients. Moderate protein intake. Although protein is an essential macronutrient, excessive consumption can hinder ketosis. A moderate protein intake is recommended on the ketogenic diet to prevent the body from converting protein into glucose through a process called gluconeogenesis. Consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist to determine the appropriate amount of protein for your specific needs. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for overall health and can also support your efforts to stay in ketosis. When following a ketogenic diet, the body tends to excrete more water due to lower insulin levels. Ensure you drink an adequate amount of water daily to avoid dehydration and support optimal bodily functions. Include regular physical activity. Regular physical activity can help you stay in ketosis by depleting glycogen stores and promoting fat burning. Engage in both aerobic exercises, such as brisk walking or cycling, and strength training to maintain muscle mass. However, bear in mind that excessive exercise can increase hunger, so finding a balance is crucial. Plan and prepare meals in advance. One of the most effective ways to stay on track with the ketogenic diet is to plan and prepare your meals in advance. This allows you to have keto-friendly options readily available, minimizing the temptation to reach for high-carb alternatives when hunger strikes. Consider batch cooking, using meal prep containers, and creating shopping lists to streamline your meal planning process. Monitor ketone levels. Regularly monitoring your ketone levels can provide valuable insights into whether you're in ketosis. Various methods are available to measure ketones, including urine test strips, blood ketone meters, and breath analyzers. Keep track of your ketone levels and adjust your diet and lifestyle accordingly to ensure you stay in ketosis. Seek support and accountability. Embarking on any dietary change can be challenging, so seeking support and accountability can significantly increase your chances of staying in ketosis. Joining online communities, finding a diet buddy, or working with a nutritionist can provide valuable guidance, motivation, and tips for overcoming obstacles. Staying in ketosis on a ketogenic diet requires commitment, discipline, and planning. By strictly limiting carbohydrate intake, prioritizing healthy fats, moderating protein consumption, staying hydrated, engaging in regular physical activity, planning meals in advance, monitoring ketone levels, and seeking support, you can optimize your chances of maintaining a state of ketosis. If you want more information about keto, you can read the description down below or watch this next video on the right. Remember, you have the power to make positive changes in your life. Embrace the keto lifestyle, prioritize your health, and get ready to thrive in your journey to a healthier lifestyle. We believe in you. Until next time, take care and keep shining.